Fall sewing doesn't have to mean complicated projects that take weeks to finish. Today I'm sharing 10 patterns that are perfect for the season and so easy you can cut them out and wear them the same day. These are all pieces I've made myself and absolutely love wearing. Plus, I'll share exactly how I'd style each one for fall and give you tons of fabric ideas. And stick around because I've got a gorgeous free pattern for you at the end. Let's start with the Bloom blouse, which is such a charming square neck top. It combines timeless style with some really beautiful skill building details. What makes this pattern special is that flattering square neckline at both the front and the back. It's so elegant and frames your face just beautifully. The gathered sleeves have an elastic casing for this soft feminine finish, and there are these lovely heirloom inspired touches like inseam trim at the front and back yoke seams that give it this delicate vintage feel. Plus, the staggered pin tucks at the center front add such beautiful texture. I absolutely love a classic romantic blouse in the fall because I can pair it with a wool skirt for something more dressed up, or just throw it on with jeans for a really elevated everyday look. I'm actually making my own version right now in classic embroidered white cotton with a lace insertion, which I think works all year round. But it would be so interesting to do it in a bright color. Imagine this in a deep red for fall. We also made this checked version, which is just gorgeous. For fabric, you'll want lightweight wovens like cotton lawn, cotton voile, or cotton gauze for that soft drape. Chambray gives you a more casual feel, while Swiss dot adds sweetness. If you want something dressier, try rayon challis or even silk. Linen would be perfect for those warmer fall days when you still want something with sleeves. Next up is the Fig cardigan, which is honestly the ultimate wardrobe multitasker. You can wear it buttoned up as a sleek top on its own, or layered over dresses, tanks, tees for year-round versatility. The classic crew neckline and fitted shape blend comfort and style in one quick-to-sew project, and those thoughtful details like the long sleeves with cuffs, neckband, and neat button front placket give such a polished look. I love a fitted cardigan in fall because it goes with everything and it's so easy to layer. Plus, this is a very quick make. You could honestly finish it in an afternoon. I've already made one version in this chocolate brown merino wool, and I'm in the process of making another one in a citrusy color. But I'm also really drawn to a soft blue, which I think looks amazing with navy in fall. Another fun idea is to add embellishments. Imagine a beaded collar or some appliques to make it really special. You'll want medium weight to heavyweight knit fabrics with at least 30% stretch. Ponte is perfect for a structured look, while double knit gives you comfort. Merino jersey feels luxurious, and French terry is great for something more casual. Rib knits add texture, and sweater knits make it really cozy and fall appropriate. The Orla skirt is such a chic A-line mini that's designed to sit comfortably at your natural waist for a lovely fit. Those princess seam panels on the front and back create these sleek lines, while the inseam pockets with button closure add function and style. It's fully lined with a faced waist for structure and comfort, and closes with an invisible zipper at the back for that clean, tailored look. I absolutely live in tights and wool mini skirts in fall, especially with tall boots. It's just such a perfect combination. I'd love to make this skirt in a checked wool for that classic autumn look. Another idea would be to make it in a fabric with tons of texture, like a fuzzy wool or a boucle. Imagine how interesting that would feel. And here's a fun one. Make it in a colorful brocade for something really special. For the main fabric, you want medium to heavy bottom weight fabrics like denim, twill, linen, suiting, or corduroy. The lining should be lightweight woven fabrics like acetate, rayon, or silk. And think about how this would pair beautifully with that fig cardigan we just talked about. The Arbor skirt is this timeless A-line design that combines vintage charm with everyday ease. It's fitted at the natural waist with center front and back seams for a really flattering silhouette. The inseam pockets are anchored at the waist for a smooth, functional finish, and that bound waistband adds such a polished, skill-building detail. An A-line skirt works any time of year and feels so comfortable to wear. I love that you can make this skirt in so many different fabrics, and it has pockets, which is always a win. This would be absolutely gorgeous in a block print, maybe in a soft terracotta color that's perfect for fall. Another idea I really love is to make it in a solid color and add scattered embroidery or applique for something really personal. Or keep it simple and make it in a classic denim. You can use lightweight to medium weight wovens like linen, denim, corduroy, twill, chambray, or suiting. Rayon challis would give you beautiful drape, while tencel has this lovely fluid feel. And imagine pairing this with a Bloom blouse. The romantic top with a classic skirt would be such a beautiful combination. The Yarrow skirt is the perfect blend of effortless style and skill-building fun. This two-tiered midi-length skirt has an elastic waistband for all-day comfort and such a flattering fit. The pleated hem adds graceful movement and is a great opportunity to practice sewing pleats if you haven't done them before. The rectangular panels make it ideal for showcasing border prints and eyelet fabric. A long skirt is such a great fall transition piece because it can keep you really warm. You can even wear it with leggings under it when it gets colder, and I just love the way it looks with a sweater. A classic white poplin might read summery at first, but it actually looks amazing with a darker fuzzy sweater and boots or loafers, or layered with a cardigan. I also really love a skirt like this in a classic check or homespun fabric. So cozy and autumnal. Look for lightweight wovens like cotton lawn, cotton voile, or cotton gauze. Shirting and chambray give you that casual feel, while gingham adds charm. Swiss dot is sweet, and rayon challis or silk would make it feel more special for dressier occasions. Speaking of planning your fall wardrobe, you can now sign up for the Winter 2025 session of Design Your Wardrobe. We start on November 3rd, and we can't wait to plan a new season of sewing with you. Whether you're dreaming up your next makes or want a more intentional approach to your style, this 4-week program will help you design a wardrobe that truly fits your life and your creativity. I'll put the link in the description below, and I'd love to have you join us. All right, let's get back to the patterns. The reed dress offers this timeless shift silhouette with a really flattering carved armhole. It features a high, round neckline at front and a deep V neckline at the back for such an elegant touch. The dress is fitted through the bust with a slight A-line shape through the body, and bust darts provide beautiful shaping. An all-in-one facing finishes the neckline and armholes cleanly, while a side invisible zipper adds that sleek, polished finish. A shift dress is perfect for fall because it works so well with tights, boots, and a cardigan. You get this whole put-together look that's actually really simple. I love the idea of making it in a brocade. I even have one in my stash I'm thinking about using. It's dressed up enough to feel special, but still really comfortable and layerable. You'll want medium weight wovens like cotton twill, linen, or linen blends. Denim would be great for something more casual, while chambray feels relaxed and polished. Eyelet adds texture, and rayon or tencel give you that beautiful drape. The Cove sweater offers such a stylish and cozy design that's perfect for layering. With its relaxed fit and dropped shoulders, this crop sweater just exudes effortless, cool style. That neck placket and rolled collar adds such a polished touch, while the fitted hemband and sleeve cuffs provide a clean, finished look. We all need cozy sweaters in fall, and a collared version really feels chic and casual at the same time. It's such a great way to dress down some of these other pieces I've mentioned, while also keeping warm. Make it a light color, and you'll be able to wear it year-round. I also love the idea of making the collar and placket in a contrasting color for something really special. You could even lengthen it into a dress if you want to switch up the proportions. Look for medium weight knits with at least 20% stretch. French terry is perfect for everyday wear, while sweatshirt fleece gives you that cozy weekend feel. Quilted knit adds interesting texture. Ponte feels more structured, and sweater knit makes it feel really luxurious. Imagine this layered over the reed dress or paired with either of those skirts we talked about earlier. Greer is this timeless, figure-hugging knit dress with an ankle-skimming length that keeps you feeling comfortable and effortlessly chic. With its trumpet skirt and subtly flared sleeves, Greer offers such a unique silhouette that adds a touch of drama while still being incredibly wearable. The neckline features a relaxed mock neck for a modern, polished look, while the fitted shape through the bust, waist, and hips really celebrates your curves. I made Greer last winter, and it is so comfortable and warm in a wool knit. A long, sleek sweater dress is such a great way to feel elegant and put together while still staying cozy. It's like wearing pajamas, but looking completely dressed up. I really love the way Greer looks in a rib knit, which will also give it plenty of stretch to keep you comfortable all day. A navy blue would be really pretty for fall, or you could even make it in a striped rib knit for something more playful. You'll need medium weight knits with 4-way stretch and at least 50% stretch. Cotton jersey is always reliable. Bamboo jersey feels incredibly soft. Rib knits add that beautiful texture I mentioned, and ITY knits give you gorgeous drape and recovery. Pepper is the ultimate cozy pullover. With its oversized collar and wide cuffs, it's got just enough style while staying super relaxed. The roomy fit, drop shoulder, and high hip hem make it so easy to layer over everything. And it's perfect for those cozy days when you want to add a little something extra to your look. Pepper is so wonderfully warm and cozy. I made mine here in a cashmere knit, and I absolutely love it. It's perfect to throw over a denim skirt, or even just with leggings for those really casual days. I'd love to make Pepper again in a more subdued fall color, like an olive green that just screams autumn. I also love the idea of lengthening it into a tunic length for even more coverage. You could even use your scraps to create a matching belt if you wanted to define your waist sometimes. Look for medium weight to heavyweight knits with at least 25% stretch. Sweatshirt fleece is perfect for that casual weekend vibe. French terry feels elevated but comfortable. Sherpa knits are incredibly cozy, and sweater knits make it feel really special and luxurious. The Dani Pinafore is ideal for both casual workwear and is such a cool layering piece for the weekend. It features this stylish A-line silhouette that hits at mid-thigh, and the V-neck falls just 1 to 2 inches below the bust line. It pulls over your head without any special closures, which make it so easy to sew. A seam at the natural waist with waist darts provide beautiful shaping. It's fully lined for warmth and structure, and most importantly, it has pockets. Dani is honestly one of the most worn makes in my closet. It's fully lined, which keeps it nice and warm for fall weather, but it's actually very easy to sew since there are no closures to worry about. I wear it over all my long sleeve blouses. Imagine it over the Bloom blouse or with a Cove sweater underneath. I made mine in an ultra suede scuba knit, but I think a more casual version in denim would also look fantastic. Corduroy or velveteen would also be absolutely perfect for fall. For the main fabric, use medium to heavyweight fabrics like denim, twill, canvas, suitings, corduroy, suede, or faux suede. For the lining, stick with lightweight woven fabrics like acetate, rayon, or silk. And here's your bonus. You can get the Ames pattern completely free this fall. If you want to add some simple drama to your wardrobe, this is the blouse to sew. Ames is a romantic, oversized button-up with raglan sleeves and these beautiful front and back gathers on the lined, curved yoke. It features a band collar, elastic at the sleeve hem, and buttons down the front for a classic short feel. The Ames blouse looks so polished, tucked into jeans, shorts, skirts, or your favorite pair of slacks. While you can wear this shirt untucked, you can really highlight that beautiful silhouette by tucking it in to show off all those gathers. Ames is so pretty and romantic, and it's actually one of my favorite blouses to layer under the Dani Pinafore I just mentioned. The combination is just gorgeous. I made mine in white linen and added embroidery, but I think a semi-sheer subtle check would be my next choice, like a window pane check that feels so classic and fall appropriate. Look for light to medium weight wovens like cotton lawn, cotton gauze, voile, chambray, Swiss dot, rayon challis, linen, rayon crepe, or silk. The best part about all these patterns is how they work together. You could mix and match them to create countless outfits for fall. But if you're looking for even more quick sewing inspiration to round out your autumn wardrobe, I've got the perfect video for you with 10 easy tops that are just as fast to sew and perfect for layering no matter what the weather brings. Watch this video next.